At her current level of consumption, a consumer is willing to pay up to $1.5 for a bottle of water and up to $1,500 for a diamond ring, because the blank. So in this question, we're told that a customer or a consumer is willing to pay up to $1.5 for a bottle of water or up to $1,500 for a diamond ring. So let's look at the answer choices. A. Total utility of diamond rings is greater than the total utility of water. This is incorrect because because we aren't really told the total utility of either, we're looking mostly at the marginal utility because we don't know exactly how much of the water bottles or diamond rings she's already bought. And looking at this, total utility of diamond rings wouldn't be greater than the total utility of water because if that is true, then she would buy more diamond rings than water. So A is incorrect. B. Total utility of water is less than the marginal utility of a diamond ring. This is incorrect because it doesn't make sense to compare total utility of water to a marginal utility of a diamond ring. And because this doesn't make sense, B is incorrect. C. Marginal utility of a bottle of water is less than the marginal utility of a diamond ring. This seems to be the correct answer because the marginal utility of a bottle of water is likely less than marginal utility of a diamond ring because of the formula MP by X over price of X equals MP of Y over price of Y. We can clearly see that if the price of X, we'll call this price of water, is 1.5, and this equals the marginal product of Y is diamonds, and the price is 1,500, that the marginal product of Y must be really high compared to the marginal product of the water. Let's arbitrarily say that marginal product of water is 1.5. Now, if this is 1.5, this is 1.5, this would equal to 1. So marginal product of Y over 15,000, we can figure out that the marginal product of Y must also be 1,500, because this equation is equal to each other. So if the marginal product of water is 1.5, marginal product of the diamond ring is 1,500. So it's 1,000 times bigger or greater. So the marginal utility of a water bottle is less than the marginal utility of a diamond ring. So C seems to be the correct answer. D. Marginal utility of a bottle of water is greater than the marginal utility of a diamond ring. This is incorrect because by our calculations here, the opposite is true, because the marginal utility of a bottle of water is not greater than the marginal utility of a diamond ring. So D is incorrect. E. Consumer is irrational and does not understand that water is more important than a diamond. This is incorrect because we can't make assumptions about consumers being irrational or water being more important. This is dependent on what the consumer thinks, not what we think. So E is incorrect, and the correct answer is C.